Guys, I'm literally so poor. I don't even know what to trade anymore. Maybe let's go find someone to trade with. Oh my gosh, wait guys, I see a girl with so many cool fidgets. She's like super rich. Let's go see if she'll trade. Oh, it looks like she's on a trampoline. This is actually really cool. Hi, excuse me?
Hi.
Oh my gosh, you have such nice fidgets. Can I offer for your ice cream, ice pop thing?
I don't see your offer. What's your offer?
I'll give you this mini Pop-It, this infinity cube, and these 2 pop tubes.
You're under. Can you add?
Um,
I'm gonna ask you to go find some fidgets.
this is really all I got. I can't, okay. What do you want me to find?
They're all around the backyard.
Okay.
They're in the backyard, like on the bushes.
What is it you want me to find?
Huh?
What is it you want me to find?
Okay, I want you to bring I want you to bring a dimple, a teddy bear puppet,
Okay.
every stuff that's on the bushes.
Okay.
Then I would.
Okay. Alright. Well, I'll be back with your stuff. God, she's asking for way too much stuff. She's like making me go way over. I'm way over the thing I should be giving her. Like, all of my fidgets do add up, but I'm not gonna argue. Whoa, wait, is that a triple dimple? Wait, guys, maybe I can scam her and hide some of the fidgets so that she doesn't get some. Actually, no, I don't feel like it. I might ask if I can keep some. Oh, wait, a puppet. I found it right there. Guys, I could see her screaming on that trampoline. Look, the teddy bear puppet she wanted. An Among Us puppet?
Ever.
This is so cool. What else is there hidden around here? Oh. Well, actually, let me just put this here. Oh no, it won't stay. Okay, how about I put this right here, and hopefully anyone will take it. Oh, a marble mesh. Another marble mesh. Guys, I think she's trading fidgets. Oh my gosh, guys, I literally was just looking over there. There was literally nothing. I think that flower one might be magic. I don't know. But I don't want to risk it, because then I won't want to trade it with her. This is what I just found. That's a lot of stuff so far. Okay. Let me go look up the stairs because... Oh my gosh, guys, I literally just came up and this is what I found. A really cute pink pop tube. I might not trade it with her. But I really have to because I really want that. I don't know, because I think I'm really over. Oh, a dimple. Nothing over here. Oh my gosh, guys! I literally just saw this in time, right before I left. A new wacky track. This is so pretty. Wait a second. Is this the one, a skateboard fidget? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Guys, I literally found so much from the upstairs. Look at all of this.
Oh, it's taking forever.
Okay.
Hi,
Hi, sorry, it's hard to get on this trampoline.
Okay, I'll give you the
Okay.
I want a dimple, Among Us puppet, a teddy bear puppet, a flower puppet, a
I'm not trading this. Sorry.
2 pop tubes,
Okay.
me.
This is all I have.
That's it.
Okay.
Here.
Thank you. Take your stuff. All right. Well, bye, guys. Sorry. Wait. Put your hand there. I don't want to show your face. Okay. Bye.